Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, turning this old, rusty adjustable wrench, which you might think is past its prime, into a multifunctional powerhouse. A super efficient chain pipe wrench and a handy nail puller. As you can see, it's quite oxidized. I'll use an angle grinder with a wire brush attachment to thoroughly clean off all the rust and grime. This is crucial not just for aesthetics, but to ensure the metal is clean for any future modifications and to improve its grip and longevity. Next, I will mark 2 points on the adjustment jaws of the wrench, as I intend to create a shape similar to a hook. Securing it firmly in a vise, I'm carefully using an angle grinder with a cutting disc to precisely cut and shape the end. This modification will allow the wrench to grip around cylindrical objects much more effectively, acting as a sturdy hook. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next are the chain attachment points. I'll mark 1 point on the modified handlebar. Using my drill, I'll carefully create a hole at each marked location. I'm applying a bit of cutting fluid to keep the drill bit cool and ensure a clean, precise hole through the tough metal. This is essential for the chain to connect securely. This hole will be key for attaching the chain, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned and functional. To enhance another function even better, I'm attaching flange to the wrench and marking the points. Then I'll drill the holes at the marked points. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. After drilling, I will insert 2 nails into the drilled holes. I will use a welding machine to permanently fix these metal studs. This will reinforce the studs of the wrench and create strong contact points, which will be extremely useful for various tasks such as removing or tightening flanges on a grinder. After welding, I quickly clean the slag with a wire brush to reveal the strong, clean joint. This setup is perfect for quick repairs or small fabrication jobs. Next, I'll add a large screw to the wrench. This will be a new function that makes it easier to hammer nails. This iterative process of welding, cleaning, and grinding creates a seamless and robust new form for the tool, expanding its capabilities significantly. Now for the chain part of our chain wrench. I'm taking a section of bicycle chain and carefully removing one of the pins using a hammer and pliers. This allows me to connect the chain to the wrench. I'll thread the chain to the hole I drilled in the handle and secure the end into the new hook I created on the jaw. This forms a flexible, powerful gripping mechanism. And there you have it, our multifunctional adjustable chain wrench. I will use a grinder to smooth and clean the weld. Now I will use the adjusted wrench to open the grinder to replace the grinding wheel. Look at these two nails. They make it easy to remove the flange. I attach the cutting disc to the angle grinder and cut this piece of iron. Now I will use another wrench to nail this piece of wood. Look, it closes up very easily and securely. Do you remember how that original wrench struggled with the pump? See how easily it grips and turns this pipe on the water pump? The chain provides excellent traction, making it perfect for stubborn pipes or rounded fittings. It is also very effective at tightening or loosening large objects that a regular wrench cannot handle. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can transform old tools into amazing, versatile solutions. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.